So hello everybody. In this lecture, we will be looking at the MATIC and together we will extract the levels and the important algorithmic, of course, support and resistances. And we will understand in this session something important. And I wish you guys just have your notebooks close to you. I know many people, and maybe I am one of them. We claim that we have some good memory and we can remember anything, but unfortunately this is a mistake, and we should always write down any important and any valuable informations we hear during sessions and during watching videos, and this is very important, guys. So what I mean by extracting algorithmic levels in each video, so simply the powerful support and the powerful resistances. Okay, this is a question that many people asking me every time. Okay, so algorithmic levels are simply some powerful levels that the algorithms actually based on that prices they buy or sell. So I choose the MATIC simply because I can see some important movements and also a big opportunity to make money. It can go over 500% to 2000%. So starting from understanding the basics of extracting these algorithmic levels and understanding the movements, then later you can benefit from this this token, sorry, if you want to buy, or especially if you are one of the turtles. And I mean by turtles, the people who are buying, let's say, assets and buying tokens, cryptocurrency stocks, whatever, and waiting the next maybe decades and years. So when I say, when I talk about long-term trader, I mean by exactly 6 months to 1 year. So this is the long-time traders. And trust me, many millionaires in cryptocurrencies are these people. I mean the turtles and the people who are using this strategy. So we traders, actually, especially the day traders, we can make some percentages, but not like them, okay? They have actually the patience, and they are actually, you could say, some spiritual people, and they know how to control themselves, and at the end of time they are the winners. So guys, the first lesson is always edit the scale. Okay, always edit the scale. You can see that by vision you can see some, let's say, strange movements, high and lows, and people will get confused reading this chart. So before you edit any chart, simply edit the scale. Okay, so you click here on the log, okay, like that, and then you can have this kind of let's say movements inside the charts. So here you can see, guys, that there is an important thing, which is, okay, this movement, and then like that. When you see this, okay, make sure that there is a pump coming, and so powerful pump coming. Okay, so powerful pump coming. This is the first, okay, the first thing you have to draw in your notebook, like this, or maybe like this. Okay, maybe like this and like this. They are both, okay, dangerous movements. And I mean by dangerous movements, it's powerful, it's into your interest. Okay, so when you see this, simply make sure to add this token or this chart into your favorite wish list, or you can add it to your trading view list. I don't know. You can just remember to each day to take a look at the charts and be sure to invest money into this kind of tokens, especially if there is a movement like that, starting from the high and stops at some levels, and then the markets continue. We can also rely on this kind of moments here, but it's some kind of, it is dangerous. And I will teach you now in this session how to know if there is any dump coming like that, for example, and then finishing by a huge dump. And we can say that we can actually have the difference between a low and then the market actually starts to have another accumulation phase, okay, to continue higher. So keep watching this video. I know I'm uploading long videos, but it's for your interest, guys, okay? It's for your interest. So this is the first thing, we have to edit the scale. You can see here, guys, that there is something something that's prevent the prices to go over the second candle, which is represent the mother resistance. Okay, then we can have also some levels here, which stops second and maybe third time the traders from making another high. Okay, also we have another low here, and also we have another low here. It's simple like that. So you may ask me why the price stopped here and stopped here and stopped there. It's very simple. It's very simple. So like that as always. Okay, and then you can see that each time the price touch a levels here or any level here, the market reacts. Okay, so the 0.38, it's one of the supports that still affect the MATIC network. Maybe it will be in the future, but this is, I'm talking for the moment, for the right moment, still affect the prices. Okay, so now we can see what is the next targets for the MATIC, and why I told you there is a target of 2,000, okay, percent of course, and maybe more. So you can see that the 2.61 is at almost $0.50, and then we can have the $2 as maybe an ultimate target for the MATIC network, and we also have the $7. So we will now just delete the targets, and we will concentrate on these levels. So guys, here starting from this point, okay, we have 50% and more than 50%, sorry, 500%, I mean uptrend and target also. So from this level, the same level to $0.50, we have almost 3,000%. Okay, this is very important, guys. So now we will not concentrate on the levels here. We will concentrate on the accumulation phase period. So where to buy, guys? Where to buy? Okay, keep it simple. Move to the daily chart. You can see here that the markets actually still affects the conditions, and they want people to buy it. So in order they can sell the MATICs from that level exactly. So if you want to buy MATIC here, it's no problem. You can target another 30% if you are a daily trader. Also, there is no need, I think, in my opinion, there is no need to hold MATIC right now, especially if you want to make some huge money. So if you have, say, $10,000, you can buy from this level, and you can wait next target at the 0.16C, okay? And then you can accumulate MATIC network for let's say another targets, which is the 0.11. So here, guys, also the 0.008, I think around sorry, I think around 50%. Okay, I think yes, 50% from the current price. You can also have another accumulation phase, and you can buy another level here. Okay, you can buy the same level, and you can keep the MATIC with you till the next, I mean, next levels, and which we actually set it with the algo 5 or algorithmic tools. I mean, by the 5 circles, and we have also this arc here, one of the powerful tools. Okay, this is it, 5-speed resistance arc. Okay, it's very important. We use it like that. Also by the opposite side. Okay, like that. And we can see that she gives us another new level, which is the 1.61 at the 0.14. Okay, so just guys, make sure to never edit the scale, because you will have some problems. I think the problem is within the programmation or creating this tool and link it to the trading view. I think it's a bug at the end of time. So this is it, guys. This is the target for MATIC. Keep this video always with you. About the question of accumulation phase. You said that when you see the price like that, we can have a probability to rise more. Do you have any evidence? Okay, can you show us some evidences? Okay, this is the proofs. Remember what we called I think Omis go. Okay, so Omis go. Let me show you what I mean by that. And I remember I had a signal in my Arabic channel. Okay, I have another channel that speak Arabic and gives people some channels and sorry, some signals, and I give them the opportunity to learn how the markets works. So it doesn't matter. You can see that there is an impulsive wave. Okay, this is an impulsive wave, and then when the market stops, there is an opportunity to continue and make another, at least starting from 200%, and maybe it sometimes arrives to 500%. Okay, so let's check together. This is the first breakout. It's almost 400%. Okay, so if we buy here, we have 500%. Remember this, remember always this number here, 500%. It is the target always. This is the first target for any bomb after the accumulation phase starts to break out. Okay, it is the same strategy and same method for the MATIC. Okay, you can see that we have a difference. You can see some different scale and different appearance, but it doesn't matter. Okay, it is the same. Let's say it's the same science. Accumulation phase, and then we can continue to the higher levels. Also, there is TFUEL. Okay, there is TFUEL. TFUEL, guys, the same pedagogy and the same movement. Okay, remember TFUEL, one of the important tokens that you should have in your wallet. Now, after we finish this session, how can we, or how do we know that there is some, let's say, accumulation phase for more pumps and accumulation phase for more dumps? It's very easy, guys. It's very easy, but you should be clever to identify that. Okay, and it is something, it's my own diligence. It's my personal, research. I do that personally, and I discovered that personally. So when you see a movement like that, okay, you see a movement like that, and then you have an accumulation phase, okay, and you can notify that there is a high or lower highs. So probably a 90% that the market will continue to the downside, of course. If you see the opposite thing, okay, the opposite thing, the same drop, and then the market starts another accumulation phase, and you can see by your vision, by your eye, you can see that the market created another higher high, then there is an opportunity that the market will continue and have another pump. Can you give us proof? Yes, I can give you proof. This is, guys, this is Syscoin. Okay, this is Syscoin, and by the way, I don't remember when I have done this analysis, but I can see that it respects the timing session anyways. Okay, so this is an accumulation phase that happens when the market stops after, okay, a long period of dumps. This is the accumulation phase. This is an accumulation phase. So you can see that the market, some, confusion happens inside the market, but they still making a higher high. They still making a higher high. And no lower low detected till the pump happens. So let's see how much we made. Remember the percentage we gave you, 500%. It's the same. Okay, it's the same. Okay, almost 500%. Then another drop happens, and another, let's say, distribution, and they start to leave the markets and exit their positions, and maybe they start to short also. So if you see an accumulation phase like that, just make sure to buy, because there is an opportunity coming. So Matic, okay, and TFUEL, you can make from 500% up to 1000%. So guys, don't skip this opportunity, and I wish you guys happy trading. So this is it for this session. Thank you guys for listening to us. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community. Also share this video everywhere, and help us grow the community so we can achieve more viewers. And you know, it's energy and it's science, and it's something that deserves, and we will, like I said, give you that for free. So thank you guys for having me. See you later.